Hello, in front of me I've got Haier HD90. In this video I'll show you how to remove and clean filters. Firstly, we've got this water pump. We have to remove water which is inside it. Next, we've got two filters right here. The first filter is here and the second one is located here. Remove those filters and then clean them. It is recommended to clean them under clean water. Once they are cleaned, put them back on its place. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.